Hey Planty people, I am here at the lovely Geometry Gardens and Floral shop on Grand Street in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. I've got a nice crisp $100 bill to spend. Come on, let's go plant shopping. Geometry Garden and Floral is a gorgeous plant shop near the Williamsburg waterfront. If you're ever at Grand Ferry Park or at Domino Park, you should stop by. It's only about a block away. Ooh, Cissus grape ivy. Do I have room? Probably not. Here's a cute little plectranthus. Love the variegated ones. I definitely have room for this little Peperomia frost. They stay pretty compact and they're very easy to care for. That seems to be a yes. I need more Peperomia. Okay, little dude, you just wait right here. They have a very nice selection of plants. Look at all those ferns and begonias and a cool Philodendron. One day, I'll mount one of these staghorn ferns on a plaque. This one has a really nice shield. But not today. Geometry doesn't just sell plants, pots, and flowers. They also have books, candles, incense, and polished crystals. It's the perfect place to put a gift basket together. They also sell potting mix, fertilizers, insecticides, plant supports, and tools. Everything you need for your tiny landscape. Look at all that vinyl. Gene Shepard, Jerry Southern. There must be some real music geeks working here. Hey, the association. That takes me back. And I love my guitar twangy with a beat. There's also a large outdoor section where they sell annuals and perennials. Such a cool space. Here's where they keep all their soil and mulch and other outdoor stuff. Look, they've got the full range of rosy soil too. It's nice to see a peat-free mix getting so popular. Save the peat bogs! It's so peaceful back here you could almost forget you're in the city. Almost. Wow, look at this golden schefflera amate. I've never seen one before. Philodendron billietiae. Yep, that one's got my name on it. Okay, that's 2. Can I squeeze in one more? Wow, what a lovely homolamina. That's gonna take up a lot of space I don't have, sadly. But wait. Is that a Xanthosoma? It is. Okay, that makes 3. Let's see what else I can get. Oh, cute pots. The matching saucer and everything. Love that color. They have a very nice selection of pottery, large and small. Okay, I'm sold. That saucer is just too cute. Let's add this to the pile. I'm still coming in under my limit. Let's look at all the pretty stones. I've been a rock hound since I was 4, so let's get a few of these. Tiger eye. Hey, the black tourmaline looks just like my nail polish. How about some pretty green adventurine? Ooh, and some leopard jasper. Sodalite is one of my favorites. How often do you see blue rocks? But wait, I can't leave without the citrine. I love rocks. Okay, that looks like that's just about $100. Catherine rang it all up. Let's see how we did. Hey, change back from 100. Well, that was fun. What a great little shop. You should really stop by when you're in the neighborhood and say hey to our friends Greg, Rudy, Julia, and Catherine. Tell them Planty Jen sent you. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I release a new video. You can also find me on Instagram at planty.jen, where I share photos and tips as well. If you'd like to learn more about me, please visit my website at plantyjenstinylandscapes.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Time for that theme song.
If your plants look sad and you've lost all hope, tried everything, you're at the end of your rope. Should you throw them out into the street? Nope, just ask Planty Jen. If you wanna be a planty acolyte, learn the tips and tricks to keep them growing right. Water, fertilizer, and the right amount of light, just ask Planty Jen.